I'm here with Monika, Commonwealth Karate gold medalist.
What was that for?
In your division. Today we're gonna make chocolate chip cookies. All-purpose flour, baking soda.
Baking soda. I got baking soda.
Get the egg out of the egg. Become the egg.
Egg.
Very good. 1 egg.
Wow.
Brown sugar, regular sugar. Oh, it's like a little sandcastle. That's so cool. And I'm gonna slowly add melted salted butter. You gotta do this like a real champ. That's the sound
Of a champion. I'm hungry.
all the batter incorporated. You don't want to overmix though. That's you don't. Oh, parchment paper, chocolate chips.
Smarties, Reeses cups, scores.
Now you want to bake them in the oven at 350 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh,
That's really good.
they're soft and delicate, just like my little friend here.
Finish him.
Hi-ya!